welcome to Cooking with Alex Bites of Possibility. Today we will make a very healthy, quick and easy salad, and I tell you right now what you need. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. I got grapes. Choose whatever you like. I have here 200 gram sliced chicken. I got 70 gram of any kind of salad you like. I got each 30 gram tomatoes and cucumber and one shallot. And for the dressing you need native olive oil. I got here 16 gram and the double around 29 gram balsamico and a little bit of salt. And this is actually everything you need. And the next step will be to wash everything and to cut everything as small as you like. So I tried this camera position. It's quite interesting and a little bit annoying that nothing will stick right. So I like to cut the Schale von der Kurkuma off, put it off. I don't like it. But it depends. You can do it however you like to do it. Then you take your knife, cut it. Just be careful with your fingers. You can slice it up as small or as big as you like. I don't like it too small. I like to see what I'm eating. And then I just put it right away in my salad. The salad is already washed. This is how it goes, very quick and easy. So on the other side as well. Okay, one more time, come on. She is working well, okay. So. And you do the same with the tomatoes. This little part here is better to take off. Slice it down. Be careful with your fingers. Use the knife you like to use, usually. Okay. I'd like to fiddle everything off. This is another way to do it. Just take it and then zack, done. And that's how you go with everything. Okay, next the shallot. You do the same thing. You cut down the ends and take a little slice inside. Then you can pull off make a little pile for everything, and then just cut it and slice it down as you like it. So here it goes. This part is not so nice, I don't like this. Okay, here we go. In and the other side. You can swing with your knife a little bit easier if your knife is bigger. And be careful with your fingertips. So then just you put it inside. I'll show you in a little bit how the salad is already looking. This is how it looks. So I like to take some grapes and put it inside the salad. That's not a normal thing to do in Europe or in Germany especially. I don't know how it is in other places in Europe. But I learned this in California, where I used to stay for a year. And yeah, they always put fruits in salads. And you think like how that will get together, but it does, and it does very well. So I like to cut off however you like it. Just follow your heart. You can take as many as you like and as less you like, you know. It's just however you like it, you're gonna do it. If you want to give it a try, just don't take so many, and you can add more if you like it. So what I need to say is, for the chicken, if you are a vegetarian or vegan, just skip the chicken, and you can add maybe some nuts will be nice, or avocado or both. That will be even a good recipe idea for a very nice salad. All right, I'm done right now. This is how it looks like. It has everything I'm inside. Now I put the salad a little bit aside, and then I'm going to make my chicken. So the next step is, to give your pan a little bit heat, all the way to the up, very high. And I don't have an induction herd, and I need to wait a little bit. So I need to wait a little bit. You can test how hot it is if you don't take your finger totally way inside, just a little bit up, then you feel how it goes. My hand is already getting warm, so it's not far away. Soon I will take in a little bit olive oil. This is from Portugal. You know, some may know already, I'm half Portuguese, I'm half German, so it's a little bit It's called hometown. All right, it's getting good. And then I take in a couple of, maybe 2 teaspoons olive oil. I don't put it in right in the beginning because olive oil is not good to get heated too high. As soon as the meat goes inside, I will turn down die Herdplatte. You know maybe what Herdplatte. All right, here we go. If you slice up your meat, cooking goes faster than it goes without. If you don't feel like grabbing your meat on, just dump everything inside and use a spoon. Some more room. Okay, here we go. Turn a little bit down. Maybe it's getting a little louder right now, but it's possible, otherwise everything will smell. If it starts getting white on the outside, then you know it's time to turn it around, but this time not with your fingers. Use something. Come on. So another step will be now, some people like to put salt right away over your meat. Other people don't like to do this in the right now because so I don't like it to put it right now on. I will put it in the end on the meat. It's almost done. The bigger pieces, be careful if you do this. It's a little bit hot. You can feel it. If it's harder, it's almost done. If it's very wiggly, it's not done. You can test this with your fingers. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I like to. Okay guys, turn off here. Not the light. Okay. This is how it looks like. Then it's done. Can you see that? It's nice and light and golden brown. And now I like to put some salt right over it. Wiggle it a little bit around. From the other side as well, a little bit from all sides. All right. Okay, turn your oven off. Now the last step is to mix up your dressing. I like to do balsamico oil dressing. I think it's fresh and easy and I just like it, but you know, you even can put yogurt with a little bit, natural yogurt with a little bit of salt and pepper and maybe some greens inside. If you like me to show you how to make different dips, let me know in the comments below. And now, well, you just put it over with salad. And this time the meat has a time to cool down a little bit. And the other thing as well, balsamico. And then your salt. Then you need really quick. Oh my gosh. Haha, found it. Give it a grill. Actually, it's easier not to do it with these. Just do it with your hands. You have washed your fingers before, do you? So just turn it around, very simple. Don't be shy, you can wash your fingers right away later. It smells very good. Then this time you can look that everything got a little bit oil, everything got a little bit salt, everything is mixed very well. So here we go. Everything is mixed very well. Here we go. So I have to wash my fingers very quick. So now you need to remember, when you put your dressing on, the salad will fall down in a couple of minutes. So be sure that you eat it soon and don't let it stand for a couple of hours. Then your salad will be the half. And wait a little bit till your chicken or your meat is a little bit cooled down. Because heat will help fall down the salad. So then just put it over. And let your pan cool off a little bit. And then it's easier to clean off. Okay, so one more time, this time with these. Okay, this salad will last for at least one person. It's a whole dinner for one person, or if you make a little bit more, or yeah, or maybe two person can eat from the salad as well. All right, so now let's see how it tastes. Very delicious. So you're gonna try it out. Yeah.